Touchless foot sinks transform busy family kitchens by keeping hands-free and reducing cross-contamination during food prep. For a large family kitchen, install a dedicated prep sink with a foot valve or a motion sensor faucet positioned for comfortable access while standing at the counter. Place a separate sensor soap dispenser next to the prep sink and mount it at an angle reachable without touching surfaces. Use a knee-operated or foot-actuated trash opener set into the cabinet to allow disposal of peels and packaging without touching the lid. Configure the faucet with a water temperature preset or a thermostatic mixing valve to prevent scalds and to deliver a consistent warm rinse for protein removal. Ensure the sensor and valve wiring is routed through a discrete waterproof junction box under the sink and use ground fault circuit interrupter protection for all electrical points within 6 feet of water. Plan the layout so the prep sink drains to a high-capacity trap and has an accessible clean-out to avoid backups from heavy family use. 3 common mistakes are placing sensors where shadows or splashes constantly trigger them, which you fix by adjusting sensor angle and using models with adaptive sensitivity. Relying on battery-only power and then having downtime, which you prevent by using a hardwired option with battery backup, and installing a single small prep basin that floods quickly when many family members prep at once, which you address by upgrading to a wider, shallow basin and adding a slotted drain basket to handle solids. Also, avoid setting water temperature too high. Test the preset and mark the control so other household members do not unintentionally increase it. Finally, keep electronics accessible for periodic cleaning and service to avoid long outages. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners discover local contractors and share practical project ideas like touchless prep sinks for large kitchens. We host a discussion community where we and other users exchange installation tips, vendor recommendations, and real-life troubleshooting, and we help contractors connect with homeowners looking for projects.